Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cash App backup file. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go and be needing a Cash App application. So if you don't already have the application, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your App Store. On your mobile phone, open up the search bar and search for Cash App. So find the application, install it to your mobile phone, and once you have it installed, now we can go ahead and open it up normally. So guys, what you want to do is log into your account that you want to make a backup file for. So go ahead and log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you can now get started. So basically guys, if you're looking for making a backup file so that you can go ahead and access your Cash App whenever you want in the future, basically guys, there is no way to make a backup file. Backup files don't exist in Cash App. Everything you have in your account is saved to your account. So if you want to back up all your info, cash balance, and all the settings that you have, you just want to go ahead and add it to your account. Normally use your account in the Cash App application, and once you log into the same account in a different application or in a different browser and platform and so on guys, if you buy a new phone, doesn't matter, you just log into your account and all your info is going to go ahead and be connected to that account, and that is going to be your backup file. So you just need to log into your account that you have created, and this is how you can back up your info, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.